Hi, this is Litre Toolbox Plus. Today we have a 2016 Isuzu D-Max, stock number 6246. This ran from the 8th 2014 to the 10th 2016. It has a 4JJ1 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. This is a 4JJ1 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door 1 small dent, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate 4 dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front guard no dents, right front 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,